I love you, Lord. I love you. Ah. Hey there, I'm Angela Tesano with the Cura Woman. I am so glad you're here. Welcome. Today I'm going to share with you the life-changing hack to skyrocket your productivity 100x. And it involves you playing tag. Coming up. Roll on! So glad you're still here. I am going to share with you my life-changing hack to skyrocket your productivity, and you get to use tag to do it. So let's jump right in. Make sure you stick around till the end though, because at the end I'm going to show you how you can get my 7 steps checklist to skyrocket your productivity and get more done in every area of your life. You definitely want to get that download. So before we tag your life, I want to set the foundation with my Cura Canvas. You know, being a teacher, it was not at all difficult to drum up some kind of graph or diagram or list to help teach my methods. It was just part of my teaching DNA. It's no different with this. And the Cura Canvas, which I created just specifically for managing your busy life, is a great part of the productivity in your life. So the Cura Canvas is based on 7 target life areas. 7 target life areas. 7 target life areas. And it doesn't matter who you are, whether you acknowledge those areas or not. Every woman has 7 target life areas. It doesn't matter her social status. It doesn't matter her marital status. It doesn't matter her financial status. It doesn't matter what mode of life she's in. Every woman has these particular 7 areas. And the more you are intentional about these 7 life areas, I guarantee you the more productive you're going to be. So here they are. They are your spiritual life, yourself, which is most often neglected. Your health and fitness is the 3rd life area. Then you have the leisure part of your life, super important. The relationships in your life, your finances, and your career and or business. And so these 7 target life areas need to be intentional when you think about how you're going to be productive in your day. And so let's make sure that we look at our life from the perspective of the Cura Canvas. The Cura Canvas is your life's canvas. Now we get to tag. So here's the hack that you can use every single day. But keep in mind the Cura Canvas, because without the Cura Canvas, the tag hack won't work. So I love this part. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, so tag is what you've been doing probably your whole life. You played tag when you were a kid. You tag on social media. There was even a movie about grown men playing tag, so tagging is important, and that's your hack. You got to tag your life. T stands for target, A stands for act, and G stands for gauge. You have to target, act, and gauge. Target, act, gauge. T-A-G, target, act, and gauge. You do that, I guarantee you'll increase your productivity. So here's how it works. The T is for target. First, you target the 7 target life areas of the Cura Canvas. And the reason you're targeting these life areas is because you are determining what you want to see happen in these areas. It's going to make your days so much more productive when you know exactly what you want to see happen. And isn't that what a vision is what you want to see happen? So targeting those 7 target life areas and determining what you want to see happen for those 7 target life areas is going to guaranteed increase your productivity. So the first part of tag is to target. What's next? Act. This is a very important part of tag. This part of the hack is undeniably key, paramount, unequivocally important to the hack. If you don't act, you're not going to be productive. But here's the key. You're not just acting like you used to. You're not just acting on your day because you just drum up something in your head you want to do. You're not just acting because your life demands you to. You are intentional about what you're acting on. Why? Because you've already targeted what you want to act on today or any day. So when you act, you're doing two things. There's two parts of acting. First, you have to plan out what you want to achieve based on your visions for your 7 target areas, and then you have to actually achieve them. So acting is 2 parts. You plan out what you want to achieve. So what do I really want to achieve in my relationship with my husband? What do I really want to achieve in my relationship with my kids? What do I really want to achieve in my finances? What do I really want to achieve with myself? So planning out how you're going to achieve those visions for your 7 areas is part of acting. And then once you plan them out, once you know what you want to achieve, then you act on it. Then you achieve it. Then you do it. And if you commit, to acting on what you're targeting about every day, productivity going up, I can't dance. So productivity going up. First you target, then you act, and there's one more part of the hack. You have to gauge. So gauging is a really good part of the tag hack. I love this part, and it is super, super essential to the process. So let me just break it down for you, and then we're going to be wrapping up, I promise. So gauging is where you create a space to measure your process, your day, your experience. You have to do that. So here's what that looks like. You've targeted your 7 life areas. You're acting on the visions for those 7 life areas every day. You're acting on the tasks that you predetermined you want to accomplish. And now you're sitting back and you're relaxing with a nice cup of tea. You know, my favorite is matcha. And you're gauging or measuring your experience. How do you do that? You do that in reflection. So when you're reflecting, you want to make sure you're assessing, how did the day go? What did I do that really impressed me in this 1 hour? What did I not do that I probably could do differently tomorrow? You have to assess your actions. You have to assess what you're acting on. And you do that by gauging your day. And in reflection, you can make those assessments. You can look back. And then the last part of gauging or measuring your day is just journaling your process. What did you like about it? What did you not like about it? These particular days of mine have been so super busy because I am targeting and I am acting. The gauging part of my day really puts it all into perspective for me, and it really helps me to be even that more productive on the next day or the following day. So there's your hack. You're going to tag your life, and that means target, act, and gauge. You got this. I am sure of it. So are you ready to tag your life? Share with me in the comments below your takeaway from this video. Your feedback means so much, and I can really become better at servicing and helping you if I know what's on your mind. Also, like I promised, in the description below, there's a link. I put the link there just for you to download my free 7 steps to skyrocket your productivity checklist. It's a checklist that you can use every single day, and you don't have to pay a dime for it, honey. It is yours. All you have to do is click on the link, and download it. I am super excited about sharing this quality time with you. I'm Angela Tesno, and there are 3 things I love. I love to worship. I love my family. And I love empowering you to live better. Better you, better life. See you next time, everybody.